Hey everybody, I have a short unboxing video for you and thought I would show you a package that I got and how I use some of these products. So I got a package here from iMailer. iMailer is a company that does packaging supplies, mailing supplies, but you also might know them by their other name, Betke, which is the label maker or label printer that I have featured before. I'm an affiliate, so I do get a commission off of sales from them. But I use this label machine nonstop every day. I've got packages going out, and I love that thing. And I know some of you have ordered it, so if you are enjoying it and getting good use out of it, drop some comments and let me know. If you're interested in that, you can find the video for that up here. It is also listed on Jamaison.com, and I'm going to add a different link for iMailer on there as well. But let me just share with you what they sent and kind of how I use it. Let me just pull this out first. This is a package of 500 3x4 little packages of storage bags. So it's a little Ziploc bag, or not Ziploc brand, I should say, Zip Seal, I suppose, bag. And I really, these have so many uses. Now there's 500, and you'd say like, my goodness, how many of those do you use? I really do use a lot, and so when you buy in quantities like this, the price is better. Now these are nice and thick. These are 4 mil. I have some others from a competitor, and these are only 2 mil, but I like to use these just for a little bit of scrap. This is going to be much better for that because of the 4 mil thickness. It's going to be harder, for things to break through. But sometimes you have just a little bit of scrap from a project, little nips and bits, and you don't want to throw them in your big scrap bin because then they're all going to commingle with different colors and fall to the very bottom. So I like doing little bags like this. I also like if a customer has ordered a finished glass piece of art from me, a platter or something, I like to put my business card in one of these and then drop in like a magnet or something as a thank you. And so I'll put those and package it up on the top of the package. Many of you make these little pocket hearts. I attach mine to cards. It's a nice way to ship those out as well and gives a little finishing touch. So again, you use these a lot more than you think. And with my discount code, so you can find the link at Jamaison.com. You can also go directly and just use my discount code. They're giving you 8% off. A little bit of a funny number there, but JS8 gives you 8% off. And so with my discount code, 500 of these guys is like $16 and some change. So really nice, really thick, good quality. I like them a lot. So that's the first thing that I got from them. They have these zip bags in different thicknesses and any size you can probably dream up they've got. And so these are 8x8s, so a square 8x8, and this is only 2 mil, so I didn't go quite as heavy on the thickness on these, but I like these Ziploc bags just again in my shop mostly for glass storage. So I have, as you know, I like to make my own frit, and so for efficiency's sake, because my space is so tight, I often will just bag the frit up and then put it in a large box. But these are just the store-bought, cheapy, super thin, bust right through. This being 2 mil is going to be a lot better for things like that. But you can just start to imagine the variety of uses that you might have in a studio. And same thing, these are $16 and some change, I think, for what did I say, 200 of them. So you can go to the grocery store and buy the cheaper, thinner ones. I say cheap in that they're not as high quality. You're going to spend more at the grocery store for probably the same amount than you would if you just order these. So anyway, I like these, and nothing sexy about a zip top bag, but they certainly are useful. And then if you're a decal customer of mine, I use 6x9 poly mailers, and so that's what this is. This is 200 6x9 poly mailers. This is a fun gingham check here, and I really like this. So if you order from me, you're going to see this package eventually here. So it's just it's a poly mailer. It is exactly what it says, but it's waterproof. It's thick enough that it's private, can't see through it. And so, as you know, I use a postcard with the instructions, and I slide that in with my decals and mail those out. And so decal orders, you're going to see these poly bag mailers. Just really nice, high quality, waterproof. You know, has a very nice seal. You just peel this off and stick it down. It's extremely lightweight, really durable, and private. It's just a great way to ship. Same pricing. These were like 16 bucks or something for 200 of them. So for me running a business like that, now you're probably not mailing decals, but do think about, you know, how is it that I'm presenting my glass? And maybe there's a reason that you would want to use one of these. It's not a bubble envelope, but maybe you want to slip something into it before you box it, just to give a nice appearance, something like that. But you'll see me using them quite a bit here in the future. So there you go. Again, if you're interested in getting the discount, the code is JS8. There are some links in the video notes, but you can also find their store on Jamaison.com. Thanks, everybody. Hope you're doing well. I have my new kiln up and running, and projects are coming out. So lots of videos to come. Stay tuned. Bye-bye.